In the design of commercial space, lighting plays a crucial role. As the festival approaches, decoration of commercial space will become one of the keys to attracting customers' attention. In this festive season, how to use holiday lighting, create a unique decorative effect, became a commercial space designer, a major challenge for business operators. This article will explore how to style lighting through large festival, to infuse commercial space with lighting art, attract customers' attention, add a festive atmosphere to the mall, integrate into the holiday theme. Large-scale holiday lighting is not just a simple light source. It is an important part of commercial space decoration. During the design process, first of all, it is necessary to consider the theme of the festival and the positioning of the mall, to ensure that the lighting is in harmony with the overall style of the mall. For example, during Christmas, you can choose a Christmas tree. Classic elements such as snowflake gifts are used as design themes. Through lighting art, make the mall a warm place. Merry Christmas world. Creative design. Design of large festival lamp. It needs to be creative and unique to attract customers' attention and arouse their interest. It can combine the characteristics of the mall with the theme of the festival. Design unique and creative lighting designs. For example, utilize Hoyechi, a brand owned by Huikai Company. Design a giant starfish lighting with sea elements such as shells. Complements the surrounding environment. Offer customers a unique visual experience. Fusion technology. Application of modern technology. Design of styling lamp for large festivals offers more possibilities. Utilizing advanced equipment such as LED lamp projection technology can achieve lighting transformation and dynamic effects, enhance the artistic and ornamental feel of lighting. For example, through projection technology on the surface of the building, projecting dynamic patterns and image in the static light. Create vitality. The festive atmosphere combined with shopping mall activities. Large festival lamp is not just a part of the store. It can also be used as a shopping mall to hold festivals. An important part of shopping malls can combine lighting art, organize various activities to attract customers, such as light show, interactive games, etc. Attract more customers to participate, increase the popularity and visibility of the mall. Welcome to cooperate with us to become the center of attention. Please remember our lantern brand Hoyechi.